Hello, I'm Simon Harrison, Group Head of Strategy at consultancy Mott MacDonald. As such, I'm focused on infrastructure programs worldwide, particularly energy and decarbonisation. Why engineering? I loved taking things apart and gravitated towards maths and sciences, but perhaps unusually I've always been interested in the arts and humanities too. Hence, my lens on engineering has developed around its place in the environment and society, and on how to bring engineering insight into a room often bereft of engineers when decisions get taken. After a spell as an academic, then time in engineering consultancy, planning electric power systems, and helping governments and the private sector figure out how to create success in infrastructure investment, I found myself moving towards business development and management globally. Keen to stay connected to engineering and its impact on society, I joined the IET's Energy Policy Panel, a wonderful forward-thinking group of engineers who were then almost the only people calling out the complexities of the energy transition and how these demanded much more attention to engineering than had become customary since industry privatisation. The big risk to decarbonisation was a lack of any sort of system architect. Instead, there was a static architecture coded into the industry rules. This became a focus, and I was able to help land the idea with the House of Lords Science and Technology Committee, which led to leading work that made clear the need for a whole systems approach to electricity from power station to end user. This was groundbreaking, even unpopular, but continuing persistence and engagement led governments to commit to a system architect as part of the development of an independent systems operator. Later, for government, I chaired an independent panel reviewing engineering standards in electricity in a decarbonising system. We recommended, both technically and for an overarching reframing of standards around consumer outcomes, again new then, but now of wider currency. I currently chair an Academy and NEPC workstream on delivering a net zero electricity system by 2035, the current government target date. I'm fortunate to have been able to help make these contributions, although I must remind everyone how little time is left to act. We have 286 months, or less than 9,000 days, to decarbonise the global economy. Thank you.